Monday, my bagel video dropped, and it's getting some lovely reactions, especially from friends of mine. My friend Christian, who I'm linking to right now, he unfortunately has gluten intolerance. And so bagels are the verboten food for him. And he found an article of a recipe for gluten-free bagels. I would like to state from the outset that I understand that needs must. I understand that some people's bodies can't tolerate gluten, and that's okay. But he did wonder what my reaction to this article would be, so I thought, yeah, I'll throw some makeup on and I'll record myself reading it. So it will be on the screen for you to see, and I will of course be linking it as well. And so here we go into the wild world of gluten-free bagels. So, easy gluten-free bagels made with almond flour, white and brown rice flours, and arrowroot starch. Sounds pretty reasonable to me. I've had some pretty great gluten-free baked goods. I'm not one of those people who can't conceive of bread that does not have gluten. Almond flour, spelt flour, there's just so many, cricket flour. There's so many different kinds of flours that sorghum exist, and plenty of people have made some pretty excellent bread products, baked goods with them. All right, here we go. These are vegan peanut butter eggs. That's not a bagel. Here we go. For far too long, gluten-free bagels have felt unattainable. There are certain types of recipes I put off because the thought of not being able to get them right seems daunting. I feel that, I really do. But in the end, letting the fear of failure win out is never the way to go. That's true. And so the gluten-free bagel challenge was on. Ooh, that actually looks like a pretty decent everything bagel mix, so that's not bad. I have enough friends who are gluten-free and who bake that I've heard of all of these things before, and I'm not confused or daunted or put off by them. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, these look a little off, but they don't look bad. I mean, as with fresh bagels from your local bakery or bagel store, these are best the day they are made. That's true. Oh, here we go. I have no problems. She says boil it before you bake them, you're good. Honestly, I want to try these. I think that people with gluten intolerance deserve good bread and good bagels as much as anyone else. So, yay! This actually wasn't terrifying, so good on this baker, because this is pretty great. Anyway, that's all I got. Bye!